Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench. This is take 3. I wanted to share my thoughts on thicker replacement irons versus thin standard original irons. So, the only plane that I have to accept a thicker replacement iron is the 605C. This one is whatever, about 100 years old. And it has thin castings. So some of the sound transmission that you hear is from the cutting action itself, the chip breaker and the blade, and some of it is in the vibration emanating sound through the casting of the plane itself. So the iron that's in here right now measures 1.15 in thickness. And it's not super high quality steel, but it seems to be holding an edge. I wouldn't try planing an extremely hard tropical wood with it for very long periods of time. This one, it's not the original blade. It is a replacement blade from about, I would say, it's a Stanley made in England. And I'm guessing it was new old stock. And I'm guessing it was in the, maybe 70s or 80s, maybe the 90s. Not extremely new, but it was new old stock. So this one only measures 0.079 inches. So when I go to put this assembly back in, I'm going to have to back it off a little bit. And I'm going to have to tighten the lever cap screw. That may be a little too tight. That sounds good. Yeah. I like to advance into my cut. So we're getting a thin shaving on the right. Hardly a shaving at all on the left. So I have to adjust laterals ever so slightly. And there we go. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it. It's slightly louder. With the thinner cutting iron in there. but it doesn't, doesn't affect performance. Look at that, that's just powder. So that's about it. Let me know what you like. You like the thicker cutting irons? Or the originals good enough for you? That's pretty thin. Splitting the cell structure. Thanks for stopping by. It really means a lot to me. I'm so looking forward to getting into the 4.5 planes. And as I've mentioned in other videos, if you know anyone with a 604.5 we can borrow, so that we compare the original Stanley 4.5 to the 604.5, that would be great. Hope this helps somebody. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop and go make some shavings. Walter out.